By capitalizing on evolving agricultural technology and agronomic practices, farmers have steadily increased wheat yields over the generations. Every new idea leads to a new innovation, which then leads to still more innovation as the power of science and creativity combine to make American farmers world leaders in sustained productivity. By applying these best practices today, we can maximize the genetic potential of every seed, every plant, and every crop. Complete harnesses the power of science, experience, and collaboration to create and execute a sustainable stress mitigation strategy for every inch of your fields. We understand that today seed and nutrient costs are your largest input investments. We work as a team to protect that investment through education on current technologies, products, and techniques, while offering sound advice and innovative ideas. The key to maximizing return on your seed investment is mitigating stress on your wheat crop, which maximizes the genetic potential of seeds and generates more bushels per acre. Complete takes into account things like weather extremes, pest control, soil properties, and correct application timing, which allows us to create nutrient efficiencies and better manage the various critical growth stages of wheat. The first growth stage of wheat is the pre-plant through emergence window. During this stage, decisions are made with the biggest impact on yield potential: seed selection and seed treatment. This stage also includes the planning of applications in ways that maximize nutrient uptake in the future wheat plant and protects nitrogen for plant access. Sulfur and micronutrients are a focus as well, as plants may not be able to access reservoirs in the soil or the nutrients are absent for uptake. At planting time, ensure maximum early growth with growth-promoting compounds such as a seed nutritional. Limiting environmental stress, such as nutrient access, weeds, insects, and diseases after planting, is important to tillering and developing the number of heads that maximizes eventual yield. Selecting the right seed, planting with the right compounds, and limiting stress leads to stronger wheat plants and more bushels per acre. The vegetative stress management window is the longest and most complex phase where crop production practices help build yield potential. Here the focus is on promoting plant growth, including stem extension and head initiation. Mitigating stresses caused by weed competition, insects, hidden hunger, and diseases is critical. Included are basic management practices such as maintaining availability of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as secondary and micronutrients. Soil pH as well as soil drainage management may impact stress mitigation practices. Early in the year, cold tolerance becomes a factor. As the season progresses, nutrient management becomes very important. Increasing nutrient uptake and transport in the plant is crucial to developing the number of spikelets and ultimately kernels per head. Late in the season, biostimulants, disease management, and nitrogen aid drought tolerance and overall protect and enhance yield. The result is more kernels. By managing this critical stage correctly, we can increase the leaf surface area and kernel number, which helps maximize yield. The reproductive window focuses on increasing grain fill while reducing stress. In this final stage before harvest, we concentrate on protecting flag leaf photosynthesis and kernels for grain weight and protein content. Reducing temperature and disease stress during pollination is critical to grain quality. The result of all these steps is a fully mature crop going into harvest that will maximize the genetic seed potential. Yield sustaining and yield protection management can be thought of as the basic practices to produce average yields. Stress mitigation management practices bring yield up to the next level. This clearly defined complete strategy allows us to provide you with the best advice on how and when to best use the right products and technologies. We increase efficiency while reducing stress, which maximizes yields and profits. Together, We create a strategy specifically for you and your unique needs. Agricultural technologies never stand still, and as they continue to evolve, you can count on us to bring the benefits home to your fields. We continue to sustainably increase yields by providing you with a customized, complete stress mitigation system.